Hi, I'm Wei Yi. Welcome to the workout. I'm so glad that you can join us today. Firstly, if you're feeling unwell, please do not proceed with the workout. You can always join us another time. Safety is crucial. Let's grab a sturdy chair, one without wheels, and ensure that you can sit comfortably on the chair with your feet firmly on the ground. Hold on to the sides for support if needed. Today, we're going to be doing the seated stepping exercise. Firstly, find a chair that is sturdy, strong enough to hold on to your weight, and make sure there are no wheels at the bottom of the chair. Next, sit on the front half of the chair. Make sure that your back is straight at all times and do not lean towards the back of the chair. So let me show you how the exercise is done. We are going to start with our left leg up and down, right leg up and down. If you are feeling unsteady at any point in time, you can hold on to the sides of the chair. We'll be doing the exercise for 1 minute and 30 seconds. We'll be starting on our left leg and then going on to our right leg. Are you ready? And let's start. Great start. Remember to keep your back straight and avoid leaning to the back. Avoid lifting your knees too high. If you feel pain at any point, stop the exercise immediately. Great job, keep it going. You are almost halfway done. And we are past the halfway mark. You are doing fantastic. Let's keep up the pace. Let's just push on and press on. Great job! Just 20 seconds left. Just a bit more to go. Let's keep up the pace. And we're down to the last 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job!
Let's move on to the next exercise, seated shoulder press. You will need a sturdy chair, one with a backrest and without wheels. Ensure that you can sit comfortably with your feet flat on the ground. Sit towards the front half of the chair in an upright position without leaning against the backrests. Raise both arms with your palms facing forward, elbows at shoulder height and bend at a 90 degrees angle. Raise your arms and lower. Just like this. When raising your arms, do not overly straighten your arms like this. And do not shrug your shoulders. Are you ready? Let's go. Follow me to do 8 counts. Let's start. Sit towards the front half of the chair. Elbows at shoulder height and bend at 90 degrees. Raise your arms and lower. This is 1. Keep your shoulders relaxed. If you feel any pain, stop the exercise immediately. Remember not to overly straighten your arms. Great work! Remember to maintain a straight back. And we're done. Great job! Follow me to do 8 counts. Let's start. Sit towards the front half of the chair. Elbows at shoulder height and bend at 90 degrees. Raise your arms and lower. This is 1. Keep your shoulders relaxed. If you feel any pain, stop the exercise immediately. Remember not to overly straighten your arms. Great work! Remember to maintain a straight back. And we're done. Great job!
Let's move on to the chair sit-up exercise. For this exercise, you will need a sturdy chair. Ensure that you are able to sit upright with your feet flat firmly on the ground. Let me show you how it's done. Sit on the front half of the chair in an upright position with your arms crossed over your chest. Breathe in and then breathe out as you slowly lean back until you feel a stretch on your core. Maintain in a straight back and breathe in as you return. Hold on to both sides of the chair for support if you feel unstable. Are you ready? Let's go! We'll be doing this exercise for a total of 8 counts. Follow me. Let's go! Great job! Let's keep it going. Keep it up, we're almost done. And we have 1 more count. And relax. Great job! We'll be doing this exercise for a total of 8 counts. Follow me. Let's go. Great job. Let's keep it going. Keep it up. We're almost done. And we have one more count. And relax. Great job.
Let's do one of my favorite cool-down exercises, the shoulder stretch. Firstly, grab a sturdy chair without wheels. Start by sitting upright with both feet on the ground. Let me demonstrate how this stretch is done. Now, bring your left arm across your body. With your right arm, hold on to your left elbow. Then pull your arm towards your chest as close as possible until you feel a stretch. If you feel any pain, stop this stretch immediately. We'll do the same with our right arm. Across your body and pull your arm towards your chest as you feel the stretch. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start the stretch together. We will be holding the stretch on each arm for 30 seconds. Let's begin with our left arm. Slowly bring your left arm across your body and pull your arm in gently as close to your chest as possible. Remember not to lean against the chair and always keep your back straight. This stretch should not hurt, but if you experience any pain, please stop this stretch immediately. This stretch feels good, doesn't it? We have 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Let's switch sides. Slowly bring your right arm across your body and pull your arms in gently as close to your chest as possible. Take a deep breath in and out as you feel the stretch in your shoulders. Hold the position as you feel the stretch. We're almost there. 3, 2, 1. And we're done.
We will now move on to the seated core stretch. What you'll need is a sturdy chair. Sit upright and comfortably with your feet flat on the ground. Let me demonstrate the exercise. Sit on the front half of the chair in an upright position and do not lean against the back seat. Place both hands holding on to the back half of the chair. Push your chest out and shoulders back. You can look up slightly. And when the timer is up, return to your original position with a straight back. Take note not to lock your elbows like this. Are you ready? Let's go! We will be doing this exercise for 30 seconds. Ready, and go! Remember to breathe normally. Do not lean against the backrest. This exercise is great for stretching your core. We're almost there. Keep it up. And in 3, 2, 1, relax. Good job. You did great. Work these exercises into your daily routine. They can be done anytime, anywhere. Keep it up for a healthier you.